Many people ask me the meaning of success. Shall I tell you what is the meaning of success? If you go to a shopping mall, if you like a shirt or if you like a dress, and if you are able to buy the dress or shirt without looking at the price tag, then you are definitely successful in life. If you are looking at the price tag and you are unable to buy, though you are buying also buying it very sadly, that is not a successful life. So without money, life becomes very complicated. If you have to earn lot of money, you need to work day and night. Not even a single person in this world would like to do hard work. The reason they do hard work is they know that their future won't change until they work hard. So we too are not different from them. We should also try to work hard, harder and hardest to make our future bright, brighter and brightest. I would like to tell you a story which has lot of impact on my life. It will definitely change your life too. In this story, a teacher will come to the classroom. While coming to the classroom, the teacher will bring few chocolates along with her. While bringing chocolates along with her, she'll decide one thing in her mind. She'll convey the same thing to the students. She will tell the students that while taking the chocolate, just keep them along with you. I will go out for 10 minutes and after I come back, you open the chocolates and have the chocolates. Among the 30 students in the classroom, 28 students will not obey the words of the teacher. 28 students will start having the chocolates and the remaining 2 students will be very stubborn, very stiff, not having the chocolates. While teacher comes back to the classroom, she observes that 28 students are having chocolates and 2 students are not having the chocolates. She will not say anything to the students. She'll just keep quiet and start teaching the students. And after few years, she'll decide to inquire about the students who had chocolates and who did not have chocolates. And while inquiring about these students, she'll come to know that those 28 students did not settle well in their life and only those 2 students settled well in their life. Those 2 students have amazing life and the remaining 28 students have mediocre life. And then she'll decide and she'll write a theory called marshmallow theory. Marshmallow theory is the theory. The chocolate name here is marshmallow. That is the reason the theory is called marshmallow theory. In this theory, the teacher conveys that the 28 students did not have control over them. They had the chocolate and only 2 students could control not having the chocolate, and later in the stages of the life they could control many things in their life. That is the reason they have become successful and 28 students did not become successful. From this story we should learn that for few minutes if we don't control few things in life, we'll have nothing in life. If we control few things for few minutes, we'll have everything in life. So in life also, whatever we have to control, we'll not control those things. Whatever we shouldn't control, we'll only control those things. We'll control our sleep. By controlling our sleep, we'll play video games, we'll chat at night, we'll speak on phone for hours and hours at night, and that will spoil our health. We know that is not good for our life, but still we couldn't control and we do these things repeatedly and repeatedly. That is the reason we'll not achieve what we want to achieve in life. You know Akshay Kumar wakes up 4 o'clock in the morning, and while waking up 4 o'clock in the morning, he will do lot of things. He'll do hard work, he'll do exercise, he'll do everything what should be done to be a great actor. That is the reason he's one of the greatest actors in Indian cinema industry and is one of the richest persons in our country today. The reason he has become the richest person is he know what to do at what time. At right time, if you do right things like Akshay Kumar, your life will definitely change. And if you do all wrong things, if you are doing something which is useless, that will never change your life. If you want to become an IAS officer, you need to study for hours and hours together. By locking your bedroom door, you shouldn't play video games or you shouldn't chat for long hours. You should study for hours and hours. That will definitely change your future. In this story also, like the 28 students who had normal medium life, mediocre life, if you want to have a mediocre life in your life also, you need not work hard. You can just enjoy your life, have the normal life. You can easily earn 3 times a meal. It's not a big deal. So try to understand life is very simple. Don't make life complicated. Today if you enjoy, tomorrow you have to suffer. Tomorrow if you have to enjoy, today you need to suffer. If you want to become successful in life, you need to control these few things in life. Without hard work, nothing would happen in life. Try to work very hard. Though you fail in life, though you get a rejection, you need not worry about life. You can come back strongly. Those who fail come back strongly and achieve whatever they want in life. So we are nowhere different from those persons. End of the day, each one of us are all same. So we need to work hard. So if we aim something in life, if we aim big in life, if we want to achieve that in life, we need to control few things in life. Once we reach that point, the top of the mountain, that peak point, that will be amazing. So we need to reach the top of the mountain. So don't get disappointed with life. Don't be disappointed in life. If you want to achieve something in life, you need to work hard. There is no alternative for that. So if you work hard, if you control few things in life, don't control your sleep. Just control few useless things in life which will nowhere benefit you. you, and if you control these things in life, every useful thing in life will come back to you. Just try to understand, if you want to make your future bright, do everything right. Control few things in life that will make your life mind blowing. That's it from my side. My name is Vamshi Krishna Reddy. I'll come up with another story very soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.